Still need to do my my radio. I'll do that when I got some time. She is getting there, folks. She is getting there.
The red's a 2K extra, the blue and gray are 1500 extra.
2K extra? Gee. Oh, so that's why people are like, oh, just
yeah,
get it wrapped. Usually black is like a free color with like white with most cars.
It was. White was a paid color.
Yeah, it's just easier for me to film this instead of trying to do that myself. It gets kind of annoying.
Old.
Boom.
The new.
The first one right there.
Yeah, first when I saw the wiring, I was like, oh no, is this your brake light?
Yeah, no, yeah.
If you wire it to that, that's actually a lot harder to
Is it?
To do, because people normally wire to they'll connect it to this one.
Oh,
yeah, they'll connect it somewhere to here.
For the brake?
Yeah, for the brake light.
Yeah.
Because then it just, you know, if you connect it to here, you kind of ruin the tail light.
Yeah.
Whereas for this, right?
Oh, I know
it's the factory harness and all, but people tend to tap into this one versus this one because
that makes sense. Yeah.
This is kind of a fail point.
You don't want to mess up with the tail light either.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So if you don't know, all you do is you pretty much just
one plug.
One plug. You plug it in, and then you pretty much put it back up, and then there's going to be 3 bolts on the sides here. And you just bolt it right on in. Probably one of the easier things. Just make sure you line it up. Yeah. Now that the STI is going away, I wanted to have a more classic 2B kind of the red tail lights kind of look. Yeah, I like that. And these tail lights are more round, so it makes like the rear look also a little bit wider. But this one's, you guys can see it's more flat, so it doesn't have that like wide stance. Well, this one's kind of rounded, so it kind of gives the illusion that it's wider. So you guys, here's the left side, so you can see left side, it's flat. And yeah, guys, there's gonna be
just 3 bolts.
3 bolts,
1,
yeah.
1, 2, and 3.
Yeah,
down
makes a triangle. The triangle section helps if you have one of these. You know if they're 10mm or 10 millimeters?
Oh, they're 8s.
They're 8s.
Sometimes they're 8, sometimes they're 10s.
Yeah. A lot of Subaru stuff is 8 and 10. I know this.
Yeah, a lot of JDM cars are 10 and 8s.
Yeah. All you guys need is ratchet, an 8, and about 5-10 minutes per side. Takes a long. So very simple install process. Very simple. Yeah, I like that. It's like red. It's got a dark kind of red.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. As you guys can see, this is a rounded side.
Hold on from that first.
Nice. Oh, you're good. All right, yeah, so now you guys can see this side. You see it has a more rounded shape. Definitely looks much wider. Yeah, I really like that red. It's really nice, actually. Like that with the silver line. You don't really see too many of this color. You see a few different ones, but I kind of like having that. Especially with all the red I got in the car. Looks good. Yeah, it looks really good actually. Then you guys go and do the other side. If you don't, obviously you gotta move the kicker out the way so you can, it's a little easier to get access in there. I'm not even sure if it's possible with that. I mean, you probably could, but it's like, at that point it's like, I mean, you might as well just take the kicker off. And I know Subaru does not have the best speakers. This kicker system with the kicker system inside that you can get from Subaru makes it so much better. So if you guys haven't already, if you want good music sound, I recommend it. It's not too heavy either, so you know, it's not like I got like 215s, man. While I was in college, I had 215 subs in the back of my trunk.
Yeah, no, this is actually a really light setup.
Yeah. Yeah, me and my Mazda 6.
Oh, so you actually have a sequential switch.
Oh yeah. So I think the other one has a sequential switch. I want the sequential on. And like last time, guys, you just plug it in the one piece, and then there's gonna be the 3 bolts. Should be the 8mm. Use your wrench, and then you just fit it in. It slides in. And you just go from there. Okay, yeah. So just same on both sides. Perfect. The fitment is really good. Fitment is really good. So have to bolt this in, but once we bolt it in, yeah, that looks, now we're starting to talk. Now we're getting that classic Subi look. Yeah, they're all the way, and
I prefer, like, if I was driving, if there's no traffic, that makes it a lot easier.
oh yeah.
But it just sucks when there is traffic. Can you just test it one more time?
Oh yeah, yeah, of course. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like that. I kind of like how there's like, it goes like that line, there's like that little middle, it like goes halfway through. It's different. I'm not sure if you guys can see this color, but man, this color is nice. Yeah, that side does light up. Yeah, see, this is like the perfect red. It's almost like a,
Yeah, the car in the back.
it's almost like a candy apple red.
Give me a
almost.
second.
Light yet, so I'm gonna. Your tail lights, and man, do they both look amazing. Shout out to SubiSpeed again for these awesome tail lights. These are the newer models. I think they came out a year ago, maybe a little longer. But we get the sequential. I really like these. The old ones just kind of had this light, but they didn't really have the middle. But I really like how that middle also lights up too. And like I said, I want to go with the classy Subi style, with the red and the silver and the tail light, because we are going to be building this to be just like the original STI.